We are meeting at a pivotal moment in Afghanistan's history. The events of the past few weeks have catapulted our region to a global spotlight. How the situation evolves will have profound implications for Afghanistan, our region, and the world at large. It is clear that no one could anticipate the recent turn of events, from the meltdown of security forces to the collapse of the Afghanistan government. All previous assessments and predictions proved wrong. Notwithstanding the unanticipated and sudden nature of these developments, it is important to note that the much dreaded bloodshed has not occurred. The prospect of a protracted conflict and civil war seems to have been averted. The much feared mass exodus of refugees has not taken place, at least thus far. By all reckonings, the situation remains complex and fluid.